I'm recording now. So, I was informed by the absurd bird that, hello, just Mystic. So, I'm recording a video right now, and anyways, I was, I was informed by the absurd bird that Purdy and Mystic were the same person right here. And yeah, so these are the screenshots. I just posting this because, like, kind of a scummy thing. Yeah, okay. I put my push to talk on. Um, so this is just a bunch of screenshots that he said, and I was like, he's like, it's like an all-out war between them. I don't know why. I don't know why he decided to do this, but he did. So, pardon me if I'm getting aggressive. He says that these are screenshots of Mystic being mad. He got really mad at me because we picked him because he lied about his stats. Anyways, yeah, we're banned. So I did like a bunch of tests with them. They like told me like type at the same time. They didn't. Stuff like that. What? Why is this most likely the last time I talked to you? You don't need to leave Discord over this. Like, there, you were like so close, bro, and then you just pull this. It was unnecessary. It's unnecessary. And so, what Mystic did is Mikey and I tested. I told them both to talk at the same time, and then if they both talked and said the same exact thing at the same time. So it's kind of, yeah. And so Mystic just decided that if he's going out, he's gonna take out the person that exposed them, which I can't blame him for. And so anyways, yeah. Well, Upserberg also hacked. I just want to say that, just so everyone knows. But that was like 12 months ago, or 6 months ago. I'm talking. What do you want to say? Well, are you still gonna play Surviv? You can still play Surviv. Bro, how'd you lose all? Oh, yeah, he did lose all. Well, dude, you just got really mad on Saturday. Yeah, we're not saying, we're just pointing. Shut the fuck up. Alright, we're just pointing out, like, facts. Yeah, I don't want to friend you anymore. Yeah, cause you kept on going fucking crazy. Yeah, well, dude, it's like you didn't have stats, so how can we not kick you? That like other people were like, oh yeah, Mystic's not good enough to be in there. I was like, well, Mystic has stats, and like, oh, where's the stats? Like I was like, oh, I don't know, so he had to kick you. Yeah, and I try to make up with you, Mystic, and you pull this. And then you made a rip off clan called LB, but luckily you changed it to Survive Records. It got rated. That was kind of funny. But anyways, you made a rip off LBWR, bro. You know, there's like ways of fixing your reputation. Like you can become a chill person. Just go into, just join one of the big clans. Just join like the huge clan. Yeah, this is rip off clan. He made versus What's this card? Pretty. He made him a champion. Of course, he fucking did. Dude, stop self-pitying yourself, bro. No need for self-pity. Why did you tell people that you were going undercover then? You can, why don't you just like appeal? Oh, well, you're banned from. Oh, that's what I mean. Anyways, I'm just saying, bro. Like, we'll probably come back to Discord just on a different name. Yeah, I must have you voice chat. I know what your voice sounds like. Well, good luck, Mystic. New identity is a new identity. Fucking faggot.